I'm Margie. I've worn glasses since the second grade, and I've been a patient for Dr. Abdulek for the last 2 to 3 years. He's been my regular doctor, and I've noticed within the last year and a half that my eyesight has been getting worse, but my prescription really wasn't getting worse. And I was having more problems reading, couldn't exactly figure out what was going on, and Dr. Abdulek took a look, and sure enough, my cataracts had been getting much worse. I had my left eye done, and the day that I came back, it was, well, that evening, it was already amazing. I could see through the little patch, and to be able to see that eye without glasses was just amazing. And the next day we came in, and my vision's now 20/20 in my left eye. The other thing I noticed looking in the mirror was that if I covered my right eye, everything looked so much brighter and whiter. And when I covered my left eye, everything shifted, it was yellow. It was like, what is going on here? And it was my cataract that not only was causing me vision problems, it was causing color shift problems. I never really realized I wasn't seeing true colors. And now that I've had the right eye done, and it's nearly as good at this point, it hasn't been quite the week, and it was 20/25 last we checked, and it seems to be improving. I'm thrilled. I've got my vision back, vision I never even had in the second grade. It's giddy. It's wonderful to be able to have your vision back.